Hello, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share simple homemade Chinese recipes. Steaming, a cooking technique that requires moist heat, is one of the major techniques used in Chinese cuisine. Today, let us make one of my favorite steamed goods, the savory, fluffy scallion buns. In this video, I'm going to walk you through not one but two ways of folding the buns. Although the steaming process only takes about 20 minutes, the dough requires about 3 to 4 hours to rise and be ready, which I'm going to compress in this video. To get the dough, you need to mix 3 cups of all-purpose wheat flour, 1 cup of lukewarm water with 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Knead into a dough until it is smooth and let it rise for 3 to 4 hours. For detailed steps of how to prepare for the dough, please check out my red bean buns recipe. While we're waiting for the dough to be ready, let's chop some scallions. We will use the top part for its color. Add a pinch of baking soda to preserve the green color. Set aside. 3 hours later, the dough is ready. Knead the dough a few more times and separate the dough into 2 parts. Knead a little bit more, and then use the rolling pin to roll the dough into a 2 millimeter thick sheet. To roll the dough evenly, keep rotating and flipping the dough while rolling. Spray 1 teaspoon of salt, one and a half teaspoon of 5 spices, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, lift one side of the sheet and rub the ingredients evenly on it. Scatter the chopped scallions on the sheet. Then fold a third of the sheet inside and fold the other third of it on top. Dab a few more oil on top. Cut into small sections. Make a wider one first, and then a narrower one, then a wider one, then another narrower one. Next step, pair a narrow section on top of a wide section. Take a chopstick, put it in the middle of the dough along the long edge. Push down so that the layers stick together. Drag the end of the dough to make it longer. Put the chopstick in the middle of and under the dough. Use one hand to pinch the end of the two sides together. Then twist the chopstick. Now the dough is like a churro. Then push down. There you go. If this makes your head dizzy, let us try another way, which may be easier to follow. This time, roll the dough into a thinner sheet, closer to 1 millimeter. Follow the same steps to add the scallions, salt, 5 spices, and oil on top. Then start on one end of it, fold in and roll. And then cut into trapezoid shapes with one side shorter than the other side. Take one piece out. With the shorter edge on top, push the chopstick down in the middle. There you go. Let the buns rise for about 25 minutes. Cover them. Put them into steamer. Steam for 20 minutes on high heat. Turn off the heat. Wait for 5 minutes before opening the lid. This step is critical to avoid the bun to shrink. Now you get this fluffy, flavorful soft buns that serve as a wonderful side dish with meat or fried vegetables, or simply enjoy by eating the buns alone like I always do. Bon appetit. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you do, please like and share the video to support my channel. If you're new, please also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easier to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks.